Hello and welcome to Joolz's Guide to London. Today on Joolz's Guide to London, I shall be sharing with you all the useful bits of local knowledge I've accumulated over many years living in this bustling metropolis. Thank you. Now I'm a Londoner. Born and bred, me.
I went to this school, I was born in this hospital.
I've worked here,
Here.
and here! And once I got horribly drunk and I was sick just down here. I've spent the last 30 years wandering these very streets. Primrose Hill, please. Uncovering hidden gems and all the best kept secrets that you might not necessarily find in your usual guidebook. Thanks very much. So why not join me as I show you some of my favourite sites, monuments and drinking establishments that help make London one of the greatest cities in the world.
Using Joolz Guides is easy. Just go to joolzguides.com, click on the interactive map view, then select any of the pinpoints for a video about that location. They're all under 2 minutes and new videos are being added all the time.
Welcome to Joolz's Guide to London.